Hello and welcome to Everlaw. My name is Tori and I'm a member of Everlaw's user education team. A case on Everlaw begins with case configuration. At this stage, you will set up your Everlaw database and project and configure various project settings. You'll be able to invite users and manage their permissions, which dictates what they are and are not able to do. You'll also be able to create codes and manage various other settings. In today's session, I'll demonstrate how to add users to a project, modify their permissions by group, and set up the codes and redaction stamps that they'll need for review. Please note that only users with project administration permissions will be able to see and edit these case configuration settings. To access these settings, I'll navigate to the Project Settings page under the Project Management icon. I can add a user by clicking on the Add Users button. I'll add their emails, one per line, and then select the desired group. I can change a user's group at a later time if needed. These groups correspond to the permissions a user will have in the Everlaw platform and can be edited to suit your unique project needs. If I want to create a new group or manage which users are in each group, I can do so from the Groups tab on the left-hand side of the page. To create a new group, I will click on New Group and choose a template. Alternatively, I can edit the permissions of an existing group. To modify the permissions of a group, I need to go to the Permissions tab. Here, I can modify the permissions that users in each group will have. For example, I can give this Restricted Reviewers group the ability to apply redactions, but not give them the ability to apply codes. I can also control levels of access that users have to the document analytics tools. And there are many other permissions that I can modify from this page. Now, let's say that I want to restrict this group from being able to view a sensitive set of documents. I can accomplish this by clicking on Change Document Access. Here, I'll change their access from full to partial, and then build a search to identify the documents that these users can see. I'll say that they can see all documents that aren't in a particular binder that I've created. We finished choosing the permissions of this group, so now let's move on to more case setup. Codes, otherwise known as tags, can be created from the Codes tab. Reviewers can apply codes to documents during review. Codes are grouped together by categories. For example, here we have a category for responsiveness that has several codes within it. If preferred, codes can be mutually exclusive, meaning reviewers will only be able to apply one code from this category at a time. Lastly, if your reviewers will be redacting any text, image, or metadata content from your documents, you'll want to go to the General tab, locate Production Tools, and then set up redaction stamps. Reviewers can apply a stamp when adding a redaction, and it will be burned into your documents upon production. In addition to these more common settings that I've shown you, there are a variety of other configurations that you can set up to streamline your review process, such as persistent highlights and coding rules. To learn more about these and other features, and to access helpful articles and videos, please click on the Project Help icon in the upper right-hand corner of the page. You can also check out our training center, which has a lot of helpful content to help you learn more about these case configuration settings. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you all have a great day.